Hello and welcome to Tiny To Do. Today we are going to do an interesting DIY of making puzzles. Puzzles are always exciting, right? And when there is a tag of DIY into it, the level of excitement becomes double. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Take two cardboard of equal sizes. It can be a square or rectangle. Here I have taken two squares of 13 by 13 centimeter. Now is the time to cut out the center part of one of the square. I am leaving 2 centimeter of frame here. Now we'll cut out the center part, leaving the frame. And here are the two parts. Okay, now time to mark our drawing area on a sheet of paper. So you can make any of your favorite cartoon character or animal for this. To make it easier, pick up an illustration from net like I am doing. I found this illustration of elephant very interesting and easy at the same time. So I am just copying it from the net. You can do that or you can make something of your own. It is completely your choice. And yes, our drawing is done. Okay, time to paint now. I am here using acrylic paints. If you don't have acrylic paints, then you can use poster paint or maybe watercolor also, but do mix them with Fevicol. Fevicol makes your colors and your drawings much more stronger and they don't dissolve in water easily. If you do that, your puzzles will stay longer with you, okay, and they won't get spoiled easily. Don't take your paints very thin. A thick coat will help you to have a fine painted surface which will finally help you to get a better illustration. Okay? So don't take runny paints. If you want it lighter in color, mix white. I am here painting the outline with a black color and brush. You can use a simple permanent marker to do that as well. It will make your work much easier and you will be able to do it very quickly. But don't forget to take a permanent marker only. Other markers will go away. Okay, so the illustration is done. Let's cut it and fix it onto a piece of cardboard we have cut earlier. Okay, so I have already divided the whole illustration into 9 equal parts. Let's cut them and get our puzzle pieces. If you have a steel scale, please use a steel scale. It is much more safer to use a steel scale than a plastic scale. I don't have one, that's why I am using a plastic scale, but with a lot of care I am doing that. So if you are using a cutter, please do it very carefully. And our pieces are ready. Let's get them all together. Yeah, they're together. Okay, so now quickly let's paint the base of our puzzle piece. And the frame of the puzzle pieces is ready. I am going to stick them together now. Make sure you are putting a lot of glue on the corners because it is from there where the puzzles or the frames get spoiled much easily. Press it nicely. And yes, we have got the frame. Now let's quickly put our puzzle pieces inside. Yes, it's complete. Okay, now let's mix it together and see how our puzzle works. Yes, it's a perfect puzzle now. If you like the activity, do subscribe to and stay tuned to the channel.